Hi, it's Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. It's the first Monday of the month, and actually, it's the last first Monday of the quarter, meaning that we have 30 more days until this quarter is ending. So, as I say it always on the first Monday of the month, is that it's important to look back what you did over the last 30 days and what do you want to do over the next 30 days? Because this is your time to crush it for the first quarter. And I'd love if you would send me an email and tell me what you're planning on doing. I'm happy to hold you accountable to help make sure that you are good in terms of your business growth. And along with that, we have some exciting news that we're going to share with you on Thursday. So if you've been a member of our community and you've been listening to our videos, I want you to look for the video on Thursday because I'm super excited to tell you about this new thing that I know that's going to help you with business growth. So go out and get results. If you want to email me about what you're doing, Jean at Get More Results. And if you're looking for a free, no obligation coaching session, feel free to click on the link in the email, the caption. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results.